Alright everybody, welcome to the first episode of Cooking with Diesel. Let's get it, baby. What you're going to need for this, you're going to need a grill. Any size should be fine. Cut a massive hole in it. You're going to need some aluminum foil duct to get from the exhaust pipe to the grill. Heat it up, of course. You're going to need a can of Coors Light, a tin of Copenhagen mint pouches, some hot dogs, bread, buns work too. You're going to need whatever toppings you like. I got ketchup and mustard, some water in case stuff gets ugly and I need to put it out, a hose clamp, and a screwdriver. So, let's get this thing going. Alright, before we get to cooking, let me show you my setup here. Aluminum duct with the hose clamp coming off the exhaust pipe. Stick it right through the hole in the bottom of the Weber. Keep the lid close. We're going to need this to heat it up quick. Let's see how these hot dogs turn out. Couple things you're going to want to do before this thing gets all the way hot. You're going to want to crack that Coors Light. You're also going to want to grab the best Copenhagen mint pouch or chew. It doesn't matter really, but now we wait. One thing I did want to mention to you guys before, so if you have these air holes on the top of the sides, I close the top one. I want all the hot air that rises to stay in there. I have these open a little bit, but I close them up because I want to get it heated up quick because I'm hungry. So leave all those closed, it's fine. Now relax. Okay, after she's hot to the touch, grab 2 wieners, well, however many you want. I'm only cooking 2. Take the top off, throw your wieners on the grill, throw the top back on. If you've grilled before, you know how to do this. No different, just cooking with diesel. Someone said it could be done, not me. So, check on these wieners periodically. They shouldn't take too long. It is pretty hot, but just be patient. You want to make sure they're thoroughly cooked and taste great. They might be ready for their first flip. They've been on for about 5 minutes. Woo-wee! Look at them grill marks, baby! Oh yeah! Alright. I think she's ready for her second turn. Oh, nice! These are turning out freaking awesome. I think I'm the first one to successfully convert a charcoal grill into strictly just a coal grill. Woo! Okay, so once your beer is done, and your tube is done, go ahead and take the hot dogs off. Ooh. them are some nice dogs. Let's go get them ready to eat them. The dogs are ready. Everybody check these out. Cooked with diesel fumes. Turned out great. So let's get them ready. You're going to want to take your dogs, put them on your preferred bun or bread combo. Throw a little ketchup on. Oops, got a little bit on the tailgate, whatever. Alright. The true test. How is it going to taste? It's disgusting. There's not nearly enough ketchup on it. Now we're good. But anyways, the dogs themselves taste freaking amazing. Here we go. A little bit too much ketchup, but the dog still tastes freaking amazing. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like down below for more. We'll see you next time.